Welcome to our tutorial about the copy command. As you can see, I'm using the same geometry that I'd created in my previous tutorial. The copy command works just like the move command. It's got that sequence of clicks you need to understand and get right, or you'll mess it up. Before I activate the command, I'm going to select the geometry that I want to copy. And now I activate the copy command. That way I don't need to right-click to conclude the selection. However, if you activate copy first, you just need to make sure you right-click after you finish your selection. Left-click on the object snap icon to turn it on. Right-click on the toggle to see the available snap types. 3 are active. I'm also going to activate intersection. A left click establishes the copy from point. The second left click is the copy to point. The copy command remains active even after you finish the copy. Each subsequent left click places another copy. For this direction, I'm going to use the quadrant snap to guide me. Let's deactivate intersection and turn on quadrant snap. And each left click places a copy. Now right-click and enter to exit the copy command. And this concludes our tutorial about the copy command.